Hello wonderful people, welcome back to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to find anything on Temu using the filter option. With this filter option, you can search for anything at a very short time within your budget. You don't need to waste time on Temu looking for that particular thing you want, okay? Let me show you what to do. So let's assume you want lady sneakers. The first step is to type into the search bar what you want, okay? Let's say you want shoes for women. After you do that, Timo brings out the result for your search. Just go to filters, click on filters, and right from there, just answer the questions. The category is you know what you want. If you want the sneakers, athletic shoes, flats, go on to choose what you want, okay? I'm looking for the sneakers. Click on that. Then your size, choose what your size is here. Just go ahead and fill out all this information. I'm 34. I want the black color. I click on that. What next? The material. If you don't know what the information is, just click everything that applies, okay? Because they're going to show you options that are available. Click everything if you don't understand the information that is showing there. If you do, go for exactly what you want. So material, I'll just click everything here. The next thing here is all season. Do you want sneakers for fall season, summer, spring? I want for all seasons so that when I get the results, I'll choose what I like. Top style. Do you want the plain toe or round toe? I'll just click the boots. But if you know the particular thing you want, just go ahead and click that. Price now, it gets for those that want to stick to a particular budget. If you want the under 10 euro, of course it shows here zero results. But if you click from 10 euro to 15 euro, just one result is showing here. Okay, let's go from 15 to 25, because I mean this could also be because of the color I've chosen. Okay, and maybe white would have more options. And then we have seven options here, seven results. Let's just click and see. Okay, I love what I'm seeing here. 18 euro. This is not bad for the price. And yes, this filter here is like the collection of all these other options here. I mean, this has already been chosen here. Okay, but you can still go a bit and click on relevance if you want to get result based on top sales or from low to high. Just click on what you want. I need top sales. This one has gotten 7,000 sold. That means more reviews. So it's that easy, okay? If anything you want at all, just the first step you need to do, search for that thing you want on the search bar and then click on filters here and just tick all that applies to you. Tick the budget you want. You can set everything from the filter option, okay? Let me know if this is helpful, and if you have any other thing you'd want to learn about the team website, be it on your system, on your PVC, or on your hand phone, your hand mobile, you can definitely use this team app seamlessly. Let me know if you want to learn anything about it, and I'll be sure to look into it. Thank you for watching this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.